This is Bunny Chow. And no, there is no bunny. It's actually a hollow loaf of white bread filled with delicious curry. First, scoop out the middle and save the bread for later. Every great curry starts with onions cooked beautifully golden. Add garlic, curry turmeric, cumin, coriander, and paprika. Brown the beef. That's how you build deep, rich flavor. Now add the potatoes. They'll soak up all that incredible curry flavor. Let it simmer until it's thick, not soupy. Fill the bread while the curry is hot. That's the secret. Fill it nice and hot, but don't overdo it like me. A little fresh cilantro, and your bunny chow is ready to serve. Moment of truth. Let's see if it's worth the hype. It's got some serious heat. Okay, maybe that curry is stronger than I expected. Well, spicy or not, this is absolutely worth it. Hungry for more? Watch my previous adventures and tell me what I should cook next.